This is a short tutorial to demonstrate how you can install a custom color theme, which is the extension is a .ase, and you can install this in either a Photoshop file or an Illustrator file very quickly and easily. This is now currently, you're looking at an Illustrator file. From Window, I have only opened up swatches. You want to go over here to the hamburger menu, click on that and go to Open Swatch Library. Please take note, it swings you over here and you want to go to Other Library because you've downloaded a .ase and now you need to install it. So here is the .ase. You click on that and open, and then you'll see a separate little window showing this swatch theme. All you need to do is just click on that folder once and it installs it into the swatch library that exists for this document. So if you save this file, you'll see when you open it again that it has this specific color group here within swatches. Now for Photoshop, it's the same but slightly different in terms of the language that they use. Open up swatches from Window, go to the hamburger menu here, click on this and go to Import Swatches, and then point Photoshop to your .ase file, open it, and now you'll see that at the bottom of the stack is your swatch file. And that's all you have to do.